Indianapolis. Here is a wind advisory statement. For the following counties in Indiana: Boone, Decatur, Delaware, Hamilton, Hancock, Hendricks, Henry, Johnson, Madison, Marion, Morgan, Rush, Shelby, and Tipton. Wind advisory in effect from 10 a.m. this morning to 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday. South winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 55 miles per hour expected. The areas affected include portions of central, east central, north central, south central, southeast, southwest, and west central Indiana. Hazardous conditions are expected from 10 a.m. this morning to 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday. The following impacts are expected. Gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects.